Hey, everyone. In this video we'll be diving into how to resolve the Microsoft Store error message 0x000001f4 that you might be encountering on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you're seeing a message like "try that again, something happened on our end," waiting a bit might help, followed by error code 0x000001f4, you're in the right place. Let's get this sorted out without any delay. Now, our first step is to open up the search menu and type in WS Reset. Click on the best match, which should be WS Reset. This action will reset the Microsoft Store, and hopefully, that solves the problem. It's a quick and easy fix, so give it a shot. If the issue persists, let's move on to the second solution. Open the search menu again and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the elevated command line window, type in S, F, C, then space, / then Scan Now and press Enter. This will initiate a system scan, which might take some time. Be patient and let it run its course. Once the system scan is complete, close the command prompt, and then restart your computer. That's it. A straightforward process to tackle the Microsoft Store error. I hope this video helped you out. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I look forward to catching you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.